Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate unlimited free AI videos without any paid subscription or watermark. So let's jump right into it. First, open app.giz.ai. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you will see the interface like this, where you'll be asked to sign in either with your email or Google account. So click on create an account. Then you need to enter your email. For this video, I'll go with a temporary email. So open temp mail, copy the email address and paste it into Giz AI. Then hit send code. A verification code will be sent to your email inbox. So go back to temp mail and open the email you received from Giz AI. Copy the code and paste it into Giz AI. Below, choose a strong password. Confirm the same password. Add your full name and finally click on sign up. Finally, your account is set up and you'll see a dashboard like this where you can get access to AI chat, AI video, AI image, AI music, AI sound and many more. But for this video, we'll go with AI video. And for the prompt, you can get help from ChatGPT. Simply open ChatGPT and describe your video idea. For this YouTube video, I'm using my own concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of video content you would like to generate. Once your prompt is ready, simply copy it and paste it into Giz AI and finally hit the submit button. As you can see, the generation process has started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. Meanwhile, the video is being generated. Let me tell you one very important thing. You can either sign up with your personal Google account or your personal email address. It's completely up to you. For now, this tool is free and you can generate unlimited AI videos for free without any watermark or subscription. You can also generate longer video content until this tool becomes paid or adds any restriction on video generation, downloads, or other features. So let's wait for the video to finish generating. And here we go. Our free AI video has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided with excellent quality and resolution. So with the help of this free tool, you can create free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.